Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara, and today we're going to be closing out our paycheck of February, our last paycheck in February. We're going to do the closeout. Then you'll see a video where we allocate out the next one. We got time today, y'all, so I don't have to stuff them into one. I'm not doing March Madness. You may see a few more videos from me, but that's just because I have a little extra time, and so I'm being able to put them out a little more frequently. Hopefully you don't mind. According to y'all comments, we do not care. Okay, y'all gonna watch whatever you're gonna watch. But if you're not new, welcome. I'm sorry, if you are new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we love to have you over here. It's $3.99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below. What you doing? What you up to? How is your March treating you so far? Mine has been interesting, but pretty good. So let's get started. Okay, so February, we're going to start over here. The last thing we withdrew in February was for our Treat Yourself Fund. And so we're going to start right above it. And that is for Navy Federal for $1. So if you're new here, what I do is I mark everything that clears the bank in green. And when I'm doing a closeout, the point is to make all the money that is in a cell, any cell on this sheet that has money in it needs to be green so that we know that we have 100% cleared everything for that particular check. Okay. So $1 for Navy Federal. Let's find that in our last check. And there it is, Navy Federal. We're going to go ahead and make that green. Now I did a separate video about my YouTube checks and how I allocate them, and I had stored up a bunch from November, December, January, and then I got another one. So here is our side hustle income of $113.87 plus all the other. I'm just gonna put it all in one. $113.87 plus $310.58. So we had $424.45. I'm gonna, because I'm gonna need to leave my notes. So we're gonna have $113.87 plus $310.58 is $424, and then I'm just gonna leave myself a note that says this is November, December, January, and February YouTube checks. I believe is correct. No, in January. I don't think I got a check for February coming. Let's think it's that. Nice. So then you'll see the numbers right above that. That should equal $424.45 as well. So $42.45, all of these together should be $424.45, which is where I allocated them all out. So $42.45 plus $84.89 plus $75 plus $100 plus $122.11 is $424.45. So I'm not going to go into all of where we put them, but I'm just going to put it on the other line for now. On my other section, I'm going to put that we had allocated out $424.45. If you watch the video, you will know that some went to tithes, some went to taxes, some went to the YouTube boss, some went to the savings, and some went to the emergency fund. If you're interested, I'll link that video for you to check it out. Now, Comcast, $80. So let me mark this as green as well because we finished with that transaction. Yeah, buddy, where is... So here is the internet bill right here for $80 that came out. Then we have my student loan for $70.67 that came out. Then we have the Nissan payment, which is half of my car payment, that went out. And then the mortgage, the new mortgage, dun dun dun, $1308.26. That went out. And now we have deposits. What do we have? Okay, so these are all deposits of money that were to pay the credit card. So just to clear them, we'll add them together and see what we got. 2173 plus 4923 plus 11686 plus 3131. We transferred over 11413. We're going to put that to the side for now because we have Capital One of 2714. That is for my security equipment. Here it is, 2714 cleared. Then we have okay, so I'm going to address this in a minute, but 4320 is another security equipment cleared. What happens with that is it gets paid on the Capital One card, and then I clear it with money through the operating account over here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract all the other things that you see. So out of 11413, these were all monies I moved in from separate accounts to pay off my credit card. So 11413 minus 4642. This should bring us back down to 0. Minus 6109. Whoa. And then, so this was the security. These are 2 for the credit card. This was also security. So minus $10, I think. No, so this $10 right here, remember we're off a little bit. We have forgotten to transfer travel. That's why I said travel got forgotten. On our reconciliation down here, we forgot to move. I said I moved money out of travel, but I did not move money out of travel. So I actually moved that. So that has nothing to do with this. And then we have $6.62. Oh, okay. And that's it. So we're down to 0. We're down to 0. So we've covered all the monies that were paid on the credit card. At least I hope I did. Okay. And so now we have 6 cents of monthly interest. Yay. So out of miscellaneous side income, we'll add in 6 cents plus 0.06. And in that same note, we'll add that 0.06 was interest. Then we had a deposit of $190 for the $190 was March money being pulled in from Hold Your Horses. As you can see, it went in and out. I pulled it in to do our variables, our gas, our giving, and our self-care. And then I took it right out of the ATM. So this will zero itself out. Then I added $43. That was the money that was left over from our cash wallet from March. And as you can see up here, it'll zero itself out because we moved that money into our monthly saving challenges. 0 again. So then this $40 is actually for the gym, which I'm not sure. Yep, here's the other money. So this $40 is for the gym and that I paid for Zumba. And then that's so everything except for the new paycheck that came in, should be allocated out. So let's make sure everything is 0. So I can already tell 99 cents is not 0. But you guys, I tried to pay this. This is my Apple storage. But for some reason, Apple just charged me this morning and it wouldn't let me pay it right away. It was in pending status. So I'm going to pay that hopefully this evening. And then hopefully it will clear. It will clear with next month's stuff. So what I'm going to do is make this $0 and I'm going to move this 99 cents here. And then I'm going to do a rollover of 99 cents into the next check. So I did that wrong. Why is there a 10-cent rollover here? I'm not really sure. Oh, I did that point. I did it wrong. 0.99 cent. Girl. Okay. So, yeah. So now that's going to be 0. Let's check and make sure everything else is green. That can be green. I don't know why that's not green. Gam. Okay, so everything is green. I'm going to take the buffer amount out of here. You're out of here. So we should have $4.90 left in our buffer and everything should be paid. So, let me see. Yeah. So I'm going to assume it says that we have $5.89, but that's including the 99 cents. So if we have $4.90 plus 0.99 cents, we have $4.89. Perfect. That's exactly what we need. So I have zero-based budget our thing. So without doing anything with this $4.09, y'all, I think what I'm going to do is also roll that over and just at the end of the month move whatever into our savings challenge. So this $4.90, we're going to roll. We're going to put it over here into the rollover so that we're at a zero-based budget. But along with this 99 cents, we're going to add the $4.90 that we just rolled, leaving us with a balance of, I don't know, because why didn't you do what I told you to do? Oh, you know what? I keep on moving. It keeps moving to the side and I'm not noticing I did it. So 589. Perfect. We have our rollover. We have our zero-based budget. Hopefully we can hold on to that $4.90. And then at the end of March, we'll be able to roll that over into savings. And everything that we wanted to pay has been paid. So this budget here for the end of February is closed. We're done. Keep an eye out for the March reset video where we talk more about what happened in February, goals and all that. But this budget for February is complete. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you for your time. If you made it this far, you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing, sharing it, liking it, leaving a comment down below. How was your February? How did that go? Thanks for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. And I love you. Mean it. Bye.